Walking out to the stand, into gun season. Let's see if we can make it happen. Have a comment down below if you think deer move in nasty wind like this, or am I just wasting my time now? Alright, so it happened real quick, so I didn't have the camera going, but I'm gonna try to reenact it for you. So I saw one doe way over there. Today I decided shooting anything, not babies obviously, but doe comes out, time is now. I got all excited, put my earmuffs on, waited for her to come up that hill. Nothing. Then I saw something right about there, which I thought was a doe licking on a branch, but it might have been this buck. Then, slowly, something spooked them. The wind's blowing that way. So I thought they got a whiff of me. So they took off. I'm running over here, looking like, that looks kind of small. Should probably hold off. And they ran up there, watched them for a little bit, and this branch right here. She wasn't that small, but she was standing right behind that branch, so I had no shot. Then she runs down the hill. Another one standing there. I'm looking like, oh, she's a little small. I'm gonna let her go. So she runs. Third one was still over there. So I'm sitting here looking, and all of a sudden I hear over my shoulder, over there, like, shit, those are antlers. I watched them come up here, looked right at me, didn't give a fuck, because he was cruising. So I get ready, put my gun up, I'm here, and of course, that branch is in the way now. So, and he steps, puts his head down, so I get my gun ready, and he takes maybe 3 seconds, he gives me a shot, right behind that tree. I watched the shockwave go through him, so I knew I hit him. But I wasn't sure, because it was rushed. I'm sitting here thinking, shit, did I do another bad shot? I don't want to get down, listening for him to drop. Yeah, so I sat here for about an hour, looking up with binoculars. Don't see any blood, but there was blood. So let's go tracking. Nothing right here. That looks like chunks of logs. Get my pants together.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
You're welcome, brother. He's a good sized deer.
Funky one.
He ain't funky, that's meat, dude. It's a lot of meat.
Gotta make me work for it.
Oh, nice shit. Great shit. Nice shit, man. Now we gotta figure out how to get him out of here.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I